take a nap in the middle of the day. And I'm like, I'm just gonna go do what I have to do in the evening. And it's about to storm. Really annoying. I'm still gonna go. I was gonna ride a bike, but I really don't want to get caught in the rain on a bike. Like, I really sound like I'm sick, but I'm not. I actually feel like my body is like detoxing from all that back at home, like blowing it out of my nose. And yeah, I feel good though. So I'm headed to another mall. I don't know why. I didn't intentionally do this, but like my list of places to go, it's just a bunch of malls. I just ordered a car. I really should order a scooter. Let's see. The ride is taking too long for me, and I'm really just going right down the street, so I shouldn't get caught in the rain. So, wish me luck. My ride, he's trying to talk to that girl, but it's me. Hello. Can I hold on to you? Okay, thank you. There's a lot going on right here.
นี่ไปประตูก่อนหน้าไปได้ที่วิ่งเส้นพระราม4เลยดาวเลยดาวนี่เองขึ้นสะพานไปพระราม4แล้วก็ไปถึงเปิดโรงงานได้ถ้าเกิดไปได้ที่เนี่ยเขาก็ยิงไปเลยได้
and it's drizzling. Are we almost there? Is that still say 20 minutes? No way. How is it still 20 minutes? Alright, let me pull out my GPS. I'll be right back. Okay, so apparently the traffic and the rain just turned my like 20-minute ride into like a 40-minute ride, and it started raining, so we had to pull over. He gave me a poncho because like there's no available cars. I'll be like stuck at the gas station. This is crazy. I made it. Oh my god. For some reason, he kept asking all the other drivers for directions. And I'm like, what's wrong with your GPS? I don't know what the confusion was. I started to pull out my own GPS because I'm like, where are we going? Where is he taking me? What's the problem? I just couldn't get into my bag. I was like trying to stay alive. The rain and the wind and everything was taking a piece. But it's over.